Last week, you submitted your first case study, and now you are familiar with the process of analyzing a case, or a description of a problem or a situation in an organization, and of identifying ways that the characters could have approached the situation differently. Some cases are based on real organizations and real problems, while others are based on fictitious organizations. The trainer serves as a guide, helping trainees learn through a process of discovery. They learn as they move through the process and as they engage with the material. There is no one right answer to a case study. Instead, trainees are evaluated on how well they apply training content to the situation, to the case. The good news is case studies can be engaging. They require trainees to interact with the material, and if the method is used in small groups, with their peers. If designed properly, case studies can also be highly relevant to the job. They can be especially useful for teaching intellectual skills, like synthesis and evaluation, skills that are often required by today's knowledge workers. But the results of a trainee's evaluation produces only a set of hypothetical recommendations that cannot always be validated or transferred to the workplace. It may be difficult to find cases that are relevant to the training topic, and it can take quite a bit of time to write or produce our own cases. Plus, the process requires trainees to have a high degree of motivation and some existing verbal information. Nonetheless, case studies are often a favorite training method among college students, and we do use this method in this course.